Hello, I'm Rebecca the Maths Lady and welcome to this third series on expert primary maths teaching for 7 to 11-year-olds. The first series was a very short series to help people who are working with the children who've always struggled with maths. The second series covered all number work from the ages of 7 to 9. This series will cover number work aged 9 to 11, and then there will be a final series, the fourth series, which will cover shape, position, measure and data, aged 7 to 11. I've also previously published series on teaching 4 to 5-year-olds and 5 to 6-year-olds for teachers on my channel, which you can find here. I did label series 1 and series 2 as being for parents. I did that because we were in lockdown and it just felt the right thing to do at the time. But those series are really for everyone, so I'm adjusting the labelling now to reflect that. I'm aiming to publish 2 videos a week, so this series on number up to age 11 should be complete by the end of August 2020, and then the final series on shape, position, measure and data should be complete by the end of October, and then there will be something on every topic for primary maths on this channel. I'm also now live streaming, taking your questions live every Sunday at 9 AM British time. So if there's anything that's not covered on this channel that you want to know about, please do just ask. And I also try to respond to all questions that are left in the comments to the videos. If you're interested in the free worksheets and resources that I provide and the services that I offer to school, just have a look in the About section, the description of this channel, and you can find out more about those. As I introduce each video in this series, I will tell you very briefly what you need to know before you begin the video. And I'll add links to previous videos that cover that content. So don't worry at all if you've not watched previous series. Just dive right into this one and you'll be just fine. There's just one thing that you should check before you start this series, and that is that the child you are working with is doing simple additions and subtractions in 2 steps rather than counting on one at a time. So by that I mean if you give them a question like 58 add 5, they are thinking, well, 2 takes me to 60 and therefore there's 3 left and the answer is 63. And similarly for subtractions. If they are counting on one at a time or counting back one at a time, then they're going to be doing their maths too slowly to really cope with the maths that's coming at this level. So here's a link to a video that will show you how to understand and fix that problem if that's a barrier the child or children you're working with is facing. Okay, let's get started with the first video in this series, which is all about factors and prime numbers. Or you can find any video you want and jump straight to that.